In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0725. What does it mean, symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0725 mean? Error code P0725 stands for Engine Speed Input Circuit Malfunction. This code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Unit, PCM, does not receive a valid signal from the engine speed sensor. The engine speed sensor sends a signal to the PCM indicating the engine speed. The PCM uses this information to control transmission shifting. What are the symptoms of a P0725 fault? Transmission malfunctions, such as rough or delayed shifting, loss of engine power, difficulty starting the vehicle, cruise control problems, no speed on the speedometer or odometer. Wait. Important. If this information is useful to you, please subscribe. That way you motivate us to continue uploading more videos. What causes DDC code P0725? Faulty or damaged VSS. Problems with the VSS wiring or connectors. Engine control module, ECM, malfunction. Failure of the input speed sensor, ISS, or output speed sensor, OSS, if present in the vehicle. Electrical circuit problems, such as short circuits or broken wires. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 code P0725? Replace the engine speed sensor. Repair or replace the engine speed sensor wiring. Tighten or replace the engine speed sensor connector. Repair or replace the engine speed sensor electrical circuit. We'll answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0725 code be driven? In some cases, it is possible to drive a vehicle with a P0725 code. However, it is important to note that the vehicle may not shift gears properly or the transmission may slip. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is best to avoid driving the vehicle until the problem has been resolved. Which sensors are related to the P0725 fault? The engine speed sensor, MVT, is the sensor directly related to the P0725 fault. This sensor sends a signal to the PCM indicating the engine speed. The PCM uses this information to control transmission shifting. Other sensors that may be related to the P0725 fault include transmission speed sensor, TMV. This sensor sends a signal to the PCM indicating the transmission speed. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP. This sensor sends a signal to the PCM indicating the crankshaft position. Camshaft position sensor, CMP. This sensor sends a signal to the PCM indicating the camshaft position. If the PCM does not receive a valid signal from any of these sensors, it may trigger the P0725 fault code. How much would it cost to repair the P0725 fault? The cost to repair the P0725 fault will vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. Typically, the cost to replace an engine speed sensor ranges from $100 to $200. The cost to repair or replace the engine speed sensor wiring or engine speed sensor connector will also range from $100 to $200. The cost to reprogram the transmission control module, TCM, can vary depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.